In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format currency in Microsoft Excel and make negative values red. If you're working with budgets, expense reports, sales sheets, or any kind of financial data, formatting your numbers properly can make your spreadsheet much easier to read. Currency formatting helps values look more professional, and showing negative numbers in red makes losses or expenses stand out right away. To begin, select the cells that contain the amounts you want to format. This is important because Excel will only apply the formatting to the cells you highlight. So before you do anything else, make sure the correct range is selected. Next, go to the Home tab in Excel. This is where you'll find many of the most commonly used formatting tools. In the number group, click the Number Format drop-down list. This menu lets you quickly change how values are displayed without changing the actual numbers inside the cells. From that list, choose either currency or accounting. Both options are useful for financial data, but they display values a little differently. Currency is a straightforward money format, while accounting is often used for cleaner column alignment in formal spreadsheets. Either one will add the appropriate currency symbol and number formatting to your selected cells. Now, if you also want negative values to appear in red, start by selecting those currency cells again if needed. Then press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells window. This shortcut is a very handy one to remember because it gives you quick access to detailed formatting options. Once the Format Cells box opens, click the Number tab. This section contains all of Excel's built-in number styles. From the list of categories, select Currency. After that, look for the Negative Numbers options. Here, choose the format that displays negative values in red. You'll usually see a preview, which helps confirm you've selected the right style. When you're happy with the format, click OK. Excel will immediately update the selected cells so they display as currency, and any negative values will now appear in red. That's all there is to it. This simple formatting change can make your worksheet much clearer and easier to analyze at a glance. It's especially helpful when you want important values to stand out without manually editing each cell. Once you get used to these formatting tools, you'll be able to make your Excel spreadsheets look cleaner, more organized, and much more professional.